We're out here assessing the damage for the, drifts and such and whatnot. And take a look at That's dangerous. You don't even know. That one's 12 feet long. Holy shit. Serious icing. That's insane. I knocked the back one on the backside. It was all about 4 feet or 3 feet. I looked around here and that's just crazy. Wow. Well, there it is. That's pretty serious, aren't they, Michelle?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright. Back to the front. You want to take a picture? Did you get a camera?
Huh?
You
No,
take a...
I was gonna grab hers.
But she did. She grabbed hers. That's some that one's about 12 feet long.
Yeah, it's huge. I've never seen icicles like that.
Say hello.
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 And Michelle taking pictures of us, taking pictures of her. Weird.